but the daytime running light seemed very dim, and the low headlight beam is not on. My recollection was that the daytime running lights used to look, you know, more like that, but that's the high beam. Okay, so I pretty much decided that I don't think my running light is working on my headlight. The LEDs are on, but the bulb itself is not on, and it's just not throwing a lot of light. So I stopped by the Triumph dealer this morning, and I picked up a Pia bulb, and I'm now going to try to replace my headlight bulb. Okay, so what I think I'm going to need, right? I've got the Pia bulb I bought. It was $49.99 US. I've got my 5mm Allen wrench, and so I've Googled this, so I just need to sort of loosen these on either side of the headlight to remove the front of the bulb housing. Because you can't touch the bulb, I've got some gloves here, and hopefully I'll be able to do this pretty quick. Okay, so I took the two screws out. The one had a little bit of plastic on it, which I hope doesn't mean anything stripped, but we'll see when I go to put it back in. Now that I've got the headlamp detached, I have to sort of remove the wiring harness in the back, which will be the next step. Okay, after a little bit of a struggle, I got the two wire harnesses off. This one was the hardest to remove. I needed a small screwdriver to pry up the clip. And now my headlight's sitting on my ladder. I suspect that now all I'll need to do is, well, I don't know what, actually. Okay, that was easy. You just had to remove or lift up this little spring that was holding everything in place, and now I've got the old bulb out. Okay, the new bulb fit in only one orientation. Again, it just slid in, and then I put the retention clip back in place. Now I have to hook up the two wiring harnesses. And I almost forgot to put on the rubber gasket, but I've put that back on. I've got the one wire reconnected. I've now got to reconnect the main harness. Okay, I've got the headlight mostly back in. I just need to retighten the screws on each side. Okay, I've got the screws retightened. I'm going to give it a quick just wipe down with a towel, get off fingerprints and smudges and things. The Pia lens, according to the dealership, or the Pia bulb, uses less wattage and is supposedly brighter. So I'm going to start it up and and we'll see. Well, that is what the headlight should look like. Yeah. I don't know how long it'll last, but I'm okay with that result. It looks nice and bright. I've got my running light back. The whole process, I would say start to finish on opening it up and doing the changeover, took me about 20 minutes. So it's a fairly easy procedure. The fact that everything only orients one way is really nice in there. You know, there's not screws or anything that you really have to fuss with, except for the 2 screws holding the lens in place. So changing out your headlight bulb on a T120 is not bad.